This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.
Ready? Okay. Hey guys! So I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about, today is December 1st, so it's like Vlogmas in the Vlogmas world. And so I do really want to try to like put more videos on here during this time of year, all the way up till December. So from December 1st to the 25th, or when is Christmas? The 24th? When is Christmas? She thinking, hold on. Just look at my calendar because she ain't gonna work. Christmas is the 25th. Okay, I knew that. Today, so I just kind of wanted to do more videos. And the one that I could think of that I could put together really, really fast, because I want to get this up today. I had a whole vlog planned for today, and then something happened in my family where that just kind of didn't happen. We had some unforeseen circumstances. So that didn't happen. So I just kind of wanted to talk about something that is amazing promo for this month and December month, and it is a promo that I did last year, and it was, and I still have that oil from today, and I'm running out, and so I wanted to go ahead and talk about it. So this month, if you buy a Home Essentials kit, which I'll post a picture of what it is, if you buy a Home Essentials kit, you will get a free bottle of frankincense. So, which is amazing when you buy the Home Essentials kit, because the Home Essentials kit already comes with the bottle of frankincense, and then you're getting 2 bottles of frankincense. So I wanted to kind of tell you guys about a little bit about frankincense and why it is such an amazing oil. So frankincense is the king of all oils, okay? It is amazing what this oil can do. I always say, when in doubt, you get frank out, because this oil can do whatever you need it to do for your body. So this oil helps with cellular function and anything like that. I always take a drop of this right underneath my tongue, like right in the morning, just a drop underneath my tongue. It helps with like inflammation of the body, like infections and anything like that. When I have some irritation or pain, I like to apply frankincense wherever that pain is. I take some fractionated coconut oil, and then I take some frankincense, and I'll put it on and rub it. I also like to mix this one with peppermint too when I'm applying it on my skin and rubbing it. It's just amazing what this oil can do. I also like to use this oil in my morning skincare routine. Tonight, I will actually apply this with my facial or with my moisturizer. And so I will take a drop of Frank and, oh shoot, my computer's about to die. Oh, my charger's right here. That worked out great. Hold on. This charger has seen better days. Look at this. I'm honestly surprised it still works. You see this?
Alert from System UI server.
Horrible.
Low battery.
Bad charger. Okay, it worked. I'm like, watch me say I was surprised it worked, and then it just not work anymore. So I like to apply this to my moisturizer, and then even without my moisturizer, I like to take this oil and apply it directly on the pimple. And then I kid you not, the next day I wake up and I'm literally like, but where did the pimple go though? Like, this oil is amazing, hands down, what it can do for your skin and for your body. And it's amazing biblical history too. I don't know if you know this, but the wise man actually gave baby Jesus this oil when he was born. So I think that is amazing, and it's just so cool how even these oils go back in time, like so long ago, and we're using them now and we're noticing the health benefits that come from them. This oil is found in Somalia in Africa. Boswelly trees, I want to say. So how they get this oil is just an amazing story. like just amazing how they get this and how it comes about. There's actually only 4 trees that produce a good quality amount of frankincense. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what this oil does for you and how it can support you. I'll post a little bit more down below and give you a little link to where you can read a little bit more about this oil and what it does. But also know this, our bodies are very different, and this oil can help you in ways that it might not help somebody else. So I don't know, I just wanted to come on here and talk about this oil and what it does for us and how amazing it is and where it comes from and how we get it. I think how we get our oils is an amazing story, and I just can't wait to meet the people that make these oils or that get these oils for us. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting started with essential oils, the Home Essentials Kit is $275, which then will qualify you for the frankincense, the free frankincense oil. The Home Essential Kit comes with the top 10 oils and the top 10 oils in the full size bottles. Amazing kit. It comes with a diffuser, a book that tells you about all the oils we have and all the other products we have as well. So we're not just an essential oils company, but we are most known for our oils. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about that. If you are interested in getting started, you can either send me a message or I will go ahead and put my link down below. All kits come with a wholesale membership. So you'll have a membership for a whole year to get your oils at a discounted price and have the option to set up our monthly rewards program, which is the best reward program of all times. I get money back every time I purchase. So, and I get a lot of my my orders for free. So I save so much money using the LRP program. And so it's one of the best options to repurchase, so you can build up points for free products. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you're interested in an essential oils kit before the end of December, hit that link down below, and I would love to get you started. I'm so excited for you guys to experience these oils. They are hands down amazing. And I hope to talk to you guys soon. Alrighty, have a Merry Christmas, everybody. See you later.